Hey guys, today I want to guys show you how to do a blog page. Um, so really quick, I'm gonna just go jump on the internet here, and I use uh, a, bl- uh, a site called Wix, and this is very popular. Wix is very popular, very intuitive, very easy to use, and I use that to create. You could actually create a blog. You could actually create a web page if you like, and many other things you could do with Wix. For like starters, you start now. You could sign up as as a new user. You could use an email account, or you could actually, if you have a Google account or a Facebook account, you could actually do that as well. But since I'm already a member of the Wix, I'm just gonna go ahead and sign in, and just gonna do, I believe, I signed with Facebook, I think. Yeah. All right. So right here, my name is Eddie Arzola here, and I started to create a web page, but I decided to do a blog instead. It may make sense for me since I'm using this as a uh, marketing blog, and I use this sometimes to market some of my marketing ads in the on my blog. So easy. Like I said, it's very easy to use. So just go once you start creating your blog, and you have a left panel here that you could use, and pretty much gives you in a dashboard where you are, your popular shortcuts and site settings and so forth. You can go ahead and start exploring what these little features are all about, and you start knowing how to use the system. So um, so right now I'm in my blog page. So if I wanted to edit, come here to edit my blog page, it's very easy to use. It's loading up. It looks like we have new.
Introducing all new advanced editor features.
Looks like we have new editor features here that will be interesting. I will be interesting to watch because um, it's nice to come back and learn about new things that Wix have put on. So, really quick. Oh, I got 1,085 views on this. Nice. Um, so this is my blog page. I use a blog. I write about things that I like about success stories, and I also put videos that I kind of like, and it helped me, helps uh, me, to kind of, it's it's encouraging, and actually um, uh, the content that I put out there, it's out there is just to make people aware that success is something that anybody could do, and so I when I put information out here, it just because it makes a difference. Um, for me, it does. So really quick. How to try to change the text on here? It's very simple. It's just a regular square button here that you get allowed to put any text as you like, any size or type of formatting that you like to put on here. It's very simple to use. I mean, it doesn't really take much. If I wanted to change this into like a let's see, change that to the fonts. I can do that. I could use any fonts I like. I could choose any font size, bold, italic, underline, and stuff like that. Or you could just start using some shadowing. and it's pretty much as your liking. Um, so so if like you want to put a new post, it's very simple. You just come up here in the menu, and you just come here at your blog pages, and if you want to create a single post, it's you should put a single post like you see here. Say it's just gonna put a single post, but if you like it to put about blog pages, then it changes to mini blog pages down here. So it's like I said, it's very simple to use. Um, so so you want to get back to you want to put more blogs in here. All you got to do is just come to the blog page menu, and down here you put if you want to add another page. Right now I have two pages. One is about the blog, and the other one is it's about the my uh, my personal profile, and so that's how it works. So um, I want to get back into the blog for a moment here. So you want to go to your blog. So you go to your blog manager, and then you actually want to put a new blog post. Okay. So when you go into your blog posts, here's your canvas. You pretty much do a uh, anything you want. Like I said, you could put adding this new post just for an example, and your name, and then you want to write about something you want to if you want to write something that you read about in Facebook, or you read about something in the internet or in the news, you heard something about the news, you want to talk about it, or if you want to put something inspiring or a success story, you could also do that. um, let's go ahead and put a video that so I could tell you how easy it is to put that in here. um, let's go ahead and open a YouTube video. Okay, I'm already in there. I just put success. Okay, and let's let's choose Tony Robbins. He's a very it's a I like Tony Robbins. He's a great entrepreneur that talks about.
Hi, it's Tony Robbins. Happy New Year. Listen, how's your new year coming out so far? I know it's early. It's
All right, so let's use that for an example. So you want to come here to your URL address, and you want to copy that address, and now you want to go back to your Wix, and you want to add your video. Okay, and so you want to delete that, and you want to put Tony Robbins. So there you go. You could actually align it. Can't do much on that. You could actually make it grow. That's 100%, or you could actually put it down here about 50% or even smaller, and it looks like I'm gonna use about 50. I'll say about 50% because it kind of looks. Let's put 75%. All right, so it looks like 75% is good. And I just put Tony Robbins. double B, right? All right, Tony Robbins video. All right, so I can put out here a whole bunch of you know text and or I could write about his video here and normally what posts blog pages are about is you want to write about what you would like to put on the blog or if you like spots like for example for this Tony Robbins video you write about that and you just create a new post. So let's change this to Tony Robbins. And then I believe there was the keys. It talks about the keys to massive success. All right, so pretty much that's it. All right, so you want to go ahead and save as a draft, or you want to go ahead and publish the post. So you just go ahead. And what's sweet about this is you could email it to a friend, or you share it in Facebook, and that keeps everybody in your uh, if you have a fan page or even your own personal Facebook, all your friends will see this. So it's pretty way to kind of share your blog actually, because you can link it to your blogging and everybody could be subscribe for your newsletters and stuff like that. So you get a lot of hits like that, or if you have a Twitter account as well. So all right, so there you go. So I just published that. So uh, later on, I will probably keep this video and talk about a little bit more about the video and what I learned about what he's about that video and I probably want to write something about that. So that's pretty much on the video aspect of putting a blog page, and you could put you can put more pages to your blog or add blog elements and so forth. So you use just features just to app market. If you want if you like to add like a image, you come here add an image or a button that will uh, uh, that would try put a link on that button so that way you could direct that person to say a landing page or another website or a video and stuff like you could do that as well. Or you come down to the video, you could also put video um, uh, uh, put video into your blog site. So let me show you what I have here. So on this down here, so there's a video here that I put. Actually, that is a video that I put here. So right now you're in editing format, so it won't click unless you want to preview it. When you go back to preview and you select, and it plays for you. You see how that easy it is. So, and then this video is Tony Robbins. Just put the Tony Robbins video, and there it is. It's pretty much very intuitive. So
Hi, it's Tony.
so it's and we like to read more. Like I said, I'll probably go back in there and talk about what I learned about the video. Again, and then there's I tell you about the other page. This is a pretty much my profile. What is it about? And the things who I am, why I do this, and what I can do for you. And uh, there's a link page there for my landing page if you want to become a successful person. All right, so that's pretty much what the blog is about. like I said, I have pictures, I have videos, I have um, here's if I click onto that one, you see you got more videos and more pictures down here. The 7 ways to getting things done. There's you simplify, and down here you could actually put in instant access to Doobly. There's a Doobly platform you could get very good deals. By the way. Um, and here on the I actually put my fan page, my business page, and my blog page. So anything that I post in Facebook, um, actually it'll show up here. um, See, this pretty much are my Facebook posts. This is pretty neat because it keeps it current as you're posting, um, content into your blog. It's actually updated in here as well. So it's a pretty good way to keep everything current. So yeah. So that's it. Feel free to feel free to join the Wix blog and webpage. It's pretty awesome. Just it's free, by the way. So if you're gonna create an account, you create an account using Facebook like I did, and start exploring. It's very intuitive. It's very simple to use, and they have videos how to do things, and how to edit and input, and and all that good stuff. So there it is. Thanks, you guys.